Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in numbers. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, which among the following four numbers is the largest? See friends, on squaring the numbers we get, on squaring each number. See a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square means 12 plus 3, 15 plus 2ab, that is 2 root 12 into 3, 36. On squaring this number, a square plus b square means 11 plus 4, 15 plus 2ab term, 2 root 11 fours 44. And 10 plus 5, 15 plus 2 root 50. And this is 14 plus 1, 15 plus 2 root 14 into 1, 14. So friends, here 15 is common in all the four numbers and 2 is also common in all the four numbers. So after that, if you look at these four ones, root 50 is the highest. So root 10 plus root 5 is the largest among these four numbers, friends. Thank you.